Hi guys, welcome to the channel. When I released GTA V Project Modpack version 7, many of you commented about crashes. Some said the game crashes on loading screen, some said it crashes when entering a car, and others said it crashes when shooting or during mission. I read all your comments, and this video is the final result. This is not just another update, this is version 7 optimized, reviewed based on community feedback, especially for low and mid-range Android devices. Instead of adding everything, I focused on what really matters, like stability, performance, and smooth gameplay. One of the most repeated problem was crashes when entering a car. So in this version 7 optimized, I fixed this by reducing unnecessary vehicle scripts, optimizing animation files, and balancing the load, so the game can enter vehicles smoothly without any crashing. In previous version 7, this usually happens because the vehicle models, animation, or memory load are too heavy for the device, especially for low and mid-range devices. When the game tried to load the car, player animation, sound, and effect at the same time, so the Android cracked the game if the memory is overloaded. That is why version 7 optimized focus on stability, not just graphics. As you can see, no more crash. Another common issue was crashes when shooting or during mission. This version fixed this and removed the unstumble effect. Now it's more stable. This usually happens when Wi-Fi effects, sound, or cloud script use too much memory at the same time. But in this update, Wi-Fi effect is optimized and unnecessary script is removed, so combat is smooth and doesn't crash. You can shoot, fight, and complete every mission without crash. Some players could not even enter the game because of loading screen or black screen crash. Version 7 optimized reduce heavy setup to make sure the game can load properly. To make this possible, I remove all GTA V building and managing, but the feeling, physics, lighting style, and smooth gameplay remain. This version built for players who want to play, not just looking for building, big project or mansion, and more. To make sure this update is fully optimized, I tested on different Android versions and different types of devices. This gameplay you are seeing now is running on Android 11, stable at 60 FPS with smooth driving and no crashes. The same build on Android 13 with smooth performance, stable frame rate, consistent gameplay, and 60 FPS with smooth shooting and no more crashes. And this clip is from Android 15, where the game takes advantage of high refresh rate display, running up to 120 FPS on support device. Performance will always depend on your device and GPU, but this build is balanced to give the best possible experience across low, mid, and high-end devices. Whether you are an older device or a new one, this game is optimized for a long play season without crashes, black screen, or surrounding exits. This optimized version built because of your comment, so keep commenting. And if version 7 optimized work on your device, subscribe. This GTA San Andreas on Android mod built by the community. After you complete downloading the file, open your download folder on your device and tap on downloaded archive. Extract the file using the password by mhash. The extraction process may take a little time, depending on your device performance, so I will skip ahead once it is complete. After extraction finished, open the extracted file. Locate the folder named Android Unprotected. Move the folder to the main file manager interface. Then go back to your download folder and find the main GTA San Andreas mod folder. Move it into the Android Unprotected folder you just placed. Before you continue, you need to check which GPU your device used. To do this, open Google Play Store. Search for GPU/Z. Install the app. Once it's completed, open it and check your device GPU type. On Android devices, the most common GPU types are Adreno, Mali, and PowerVR. From here, you can find your device GPU. Then back to the main installation process. Rename this file according to your Android GPU. Adreno, DXT, Mali, etc, PowerVR, VBR. This step is very important. Using the wrong GPU, files may cause crashes or black screen. Once the file and rename are placed correctly, return to the download folder. Tap the file and install the GTA San Andreas APK. Once the APK is installed successful, the installation process is complete. If the APK is not installed or not compatible, this video will help you to install the APK with another method. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.